Welcome back to the Marketing Software channel. In today's video, I'll introduce you to an incredibly useful tool, MKT X, the ultimate solution for automatically posting to Twitter quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. MKT X is an automated marketing software designed to help you post in bulk across multiple platforms, especially Twitter. With MKT X, you can connect and manage multiple Twitter accounts at once, automatically post in bulk with customizable content, hashtags, and images, schedule posts precisely according to your chosen time slots, track the performance of your posts directly within the software. This software saves you hours every day by automating the entire posting process. I hope this video helps you understand how to use MKT X to automate bulk posting on Twitter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. See you in the next video.